Do you have the favorite flowers or the plants?
Yeah, as a zoology graduate, I have deeply appreciated for trees because it provides shade during scorching 7 months, and it is the prolific source of medicinal compounds that can mitigate the microbial growth, and it is essential for human beings.
What kind of the flowers or the plants grows near the area where you live?
In Faisalabad, the landscape is quite diverse, and a lot of trees and shrubs are grown in there. And where I resided, where I reside, a lot of crops grown like wheat or sugarcane.
Is it important to you to have the flowers or the plants in your home?
Yeah, I strongly believe that it is they are critical role for mental well-being, and researcher who spend long hours in analyzing data, empirical data. When he have leisure time, he spend a lot of he spend his leisure time around the flowers and greenery.
Have you ever purchased the flowers for someone else?
Yeah, recently I purchased a bouquet of red roses for my mom for her birthday celebration, and I like to purchase when I book market flowers and bouquet for my mom and for my family members.
Thank you.